If your home or business is threatened by flooding, just follow these easy steps when using your Flood Ark flood protection system. Firstly, remove the cover tread plates. For heavy steel tread plates, use the lifting keys. Then, remove the polyfoam insert. Make sure the frame base and gaskets are clean and free from obstructions. Close the drain bung at the side of the base frame by turning clockwise. If you have a large opening that includes a center post, position the post spigot into the socket. You are now ready to fix the boards. Next, place the bottom board into position. Give all the compression locks a quarter clockwise turn to loosely locate the pawls into the frame slot. Add further boards into position in number order. Quarter turn the locks each end to loosely locate the pawls. Then press down on one end and then along the board until they fully click together. Check there is no gap between the boards. Continue to do this until all the boards are in place. Then, turn all the locks clockwise as far as possible to compress and create a watertight seal. Your Flood Ark flood protection system is now ready. To remove the boards, quarter turn all the locks anti-clockwise to loosen. Then, one board at a time, fully undo the locks each end and lean towards you until it pops off. Doing the same for the other boards. For the bottom board, undo the locks, shake and simply lift out. Replace the polyfoam insert, ensuring the end slits locate over the corner plates, and then replace the cover tread plate. To assist you, there is an assembly instructions label on the top flood board of every system. Flood Ark flood protection systems take only a few minutes to deploy and even less time to take down, but give you peace of mind that your property is protected.